finding the length of the hypotenuse. Here we have a right angle triangle with length 6.1 centimetres, 13.2 centimetres, and the unknown length of the hypotenuse, which is always opposite the largest angle, which is 90 degrees. We need to label the sides first of all. Label A, B and C. A and B are the two shorter sides. It doesn't matter which one's A, which one's B. However, you must make C the hypotenuse. Okay? Always C is the hypotenuse, so that when we write down Pythagoras Theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The sum of the squares of the two shorter sides equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Now we need to put in our values. Substitute the values in. 6.1 squared plus 13.2 squared equals C squared. Now use your calculator, work out what each of those are. So you have 37.21 plus 174.24 equals C squared. So that gives us C squared to be equal to 211.45. Now to find the value of C, we've just got a square root at both sides. So the square root of 211.45, which your calculator will give you this long number. We don't want to be using all those digits, so it's always good after you've written that down to round to a sensible degree of accuracy. Either 3 significant figures or 1 decimal place. In this case, that is the same thing, 14.5 centimetres. Don't forget your units. The question is in inches, you put in the question in metres, you put metres. They must match up. Now we can apply this to other problems here. Here we have an isosceles triangle. Its height is 6.5 centimetres, the base of 8. Dead easy to find the area. But how about the perimeter? Let's just look at the area anyway, just to recap that. Area is half base times height. So half times 8 times 6.5 is 26 square centimetres. Now, to find the perimeter, we need to know the lengths of the other sides of the triangle. The good thing about isosceles triangles is they have a line of symmetry straight down the middle. So that height there, at 6.5 centimetres there, makes a 90-degree angle with the base. And because of symmetry, we can know that that will be 4 centimetres, will be halfway across. So writing down your formula and labelling the sides, A will be 4 and B was 6.5. We C the side we want to know. So 4 squared plus 6.5 squared is C squared. So C squared will be 58.25. If we square root both sides, we are going to get 7.6321687612 centimetres. Okay, leave that answer for now because that's not what we actually want. We want the perimeter. Now the perimeter of that shape is going to be 8 centimetres for the base plus the two other sides, which are both 7.63 centimetres. So it's 8 plus 2 lots of the value of C, which will give us 23.26433752224, which now we can simplify and round to our 1 decimal place, so 23.3 centimetres. And once again, do not forget your units.